Charlie?
No.
All right, you're filming now. All right. If this goes off, it goes like 6 quick beeps. Let me know, and I'll change the SIM card.
So what do I do with this?
Okay, guys, today's video.
My Sheila.
Okay, guys, today's video we're just random too.
Okay. Also need another photographer. This is an iPhone. It's probably older than you guys.
Oh, I have one.
I don't know if you know how to use it or not.
I will.
It's just turn on,
Stop.
swipe it, just hit the camera.
I have one.
Yeah. Camera, you can take photo or video.
Please,
Okay.
please.
So, actually, you guys can probably share it. Share it, pass it on to somebody else when you get tired of taking pictures and videos, okay?
I won't get tired, guys. I will never get tired. You guys, no, I will not.
I think that's all
Oh, don't forget you can't look down.
I will not. Okay, guys, today's video.
Today's video.
Today is Sunday, November.
That's what we are gonna do, boys. Now here.
Okay,
Now, okay, guys. We're gonna need look into the cam. Look into the camera. Look into the camera. Good. Look into the cam. Look into the camera, guys. Guys, look into the camera.
Yo, guys, what's up? Today
Good.
Because he's tough.
Good.
He's tough. Ooh, that tough helmet. That helmet's so tough.
Yo, his helmet says allen on it. Maybe it's allen. That's great. That's Don't worry, it's gonna be okay. It's all right, boys.
Oh, you're right over
Head down that way.
Yeah, you already took it.
You're basically a timer to see how much time you spent in the cave.
Okay, I need to time
Okay. Hey, don't do that. I need to get every moment of this, including us going into them.
Watch us forget the ball at the. It's more than 100 yards. That's what this is doing. No, because it's like right past that log.
Yeah, but Tedo did not have it.
Yo, just got that. Just click that. Just click that.
Do you like jazz?
What?
Jazz?
I'm the realest of the ball.
Okay. This gender is ball.
Ball.
His
Okay.
name? Oh, it's a new gender. His name is name.
Let's name him Jerry. We already have his name. Let's name him Ashley. Nah, not Ashley. Okay, let's name them Zoot. Let's name it Kratos.
It's Kirsten.
Name it Kratos.
Wait, no. Chat, this is, I don't know what his name is.
Kratos.
Hey, Ethan. What's his name?
Kratos.
Oh. Blunton? Oh.
Yeah, that's
No, it's Kirk.
Oh, okay.
That's Trutsune Blunton, who goes by Blunton because he likes his last name.
That can't even. I need to go in the mines. I thought this is this looks so artificial.
Mostly is. hard. I forgot how small the door is.
I already said I would.
That's the hole you have to cross.
Yeah, so you guys, you have to get through here in order to actually access the cave.
Swan dive.
Yeah. Get ready. You're just the tiger from Madagascar.
The tiger from Madagascar. Ball.
I'm gonna lock you in there.
Please don't.
Freedom!
It's ball. I can look at your face.
That's right, I'm recording all you stragglers.
Bamboos. Chacha love it.
Okay, bro, Chacha. Okay, bro, Chacho.
Oh, bro, Chacha.
Are you setting up a GoPro cam out here? Are you setting up a cam out here? Are you setting a cam out here?
Setting it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just running. Yours is running.
No, like setting a camera up out here.
Alright, scouts.
I'm just going to take a still shot. Sure.
So Mr. Allen is about to do his cave talk, yes?
When we get inside,
When you get inside? Okay.
last time, if you have to pee, you got to do it now.
Yep.
Because there's no alternative for that inside.
Yep, so just a few last reminders. In general, we're going to be staying together. We're going to stay with Mr. Allen because he knows how to not get lost and die, which we're not going to do. Scouts, we are going to be doing buddy system, even though in general we're going to stay together. I want you guys to find a buddy, and you two are going to make sure that you guys stay alive. Oliver, whoever else you're responsible for, you're also responsible for me. So if I die, it's your fault. I got you, bro, Cha-Cha.
Yo, what's up, team?
And make sure that whoever's buddy you are, that they know.
Shove that broken ass phone to the
You can triple
cam.
up if you have to.
Yep.
I'm using this one.
And it still works. Hey, right here. Wait, actually, let me take a look at that.
What we're going to do is everybody can line up in front. Okay, there. Guys, get lined up. We're going to get a before picture and an after picture.
The after picture is going to be pretty light.
Wherever you stand, so you can find your
Two, you got to get in there. Yeah,
Yo, your light's on.
We're going to be missing a second.
sure?
See your face.
You guys both. It's weird.
Okay. And before we go any further, so you said this is the last time that you get to go to the bathroom before you go inside, right?
I might go pee. Alright.
Go! Find a tree. Even if you're not sure, just go. If I am sure, but I'm just not going to. Go bathroom.
Then you can fight for your life later.
And don't pee your pants.
Yeah,
I don't remember his name. I know it was Kirksune, and then I remember it's like
Kirksune?
London. I remember because it's blunt. It's really blunt. He's an adult, so like.
What did you do? No idea. He can't use the bathroom. Why? Because he is the camera.
Actually, that's better because he is.
Trust, bro. I'm actually.
You gotta
hold up.
don't look down. Oh, okay. We're gonna do Madagascar style.
Yo, is my father in there? That's not.
Oh my God! Move.
Who farted? Bro, who farted? Who farted?
Not the England breakfast. Beans and toast. Beans and toast. Eggs and butter.
You done?
Beans and
Good.
toast.
No, toasted beans.
Yo, is your name Mr. Miyagi?
Okay, guys. In tonight's video.
I think it's.
Oh, that hit my ear.
You ready?
Don't just know.
Camera buddy, what's up?
Help! Help me!
There's photographic evidence right there.
Yeah. Whoa, don't do that. No, bro. Bro, that thing might pop, bro. Wait, it's just a plastic ball? Oh, it is? Yo, toss it. Oh, it is a plastic ball. I just can't catch it. I have cam evidence.
Yes, it is. Is it like
Yo, toss it. Toss it.
this guy has to survive?
I don't trust you.
Don't worry, I'm probably only gonna.
I don't know if you noticed, but this guy just.
Is it just like an opening door?
I did see it.
Oh no,
I didn't comment though.
How do you not?
YOUCave.org. YOUCave.org. And we're going to dab up into that. And then Julian grabbed him. No, that's before that. And then Julian grabbed him.
Wait, this is slippery.
Bro just had to find the secret code.
And then Ethan didn't do any of it for
Don't touch my child.
Two of you didn't see anything.
Everyone's gonna be able to. Now, how do we do this?
Why are you third wheeling by ASPLs? And why are you guys capable of being third? Like, what's up?
They call it the car.
What kind of magical mystical key is that?
Everyone actually, does anyone not have a buddy?
No, I have my cam buddy right there.
Here, everyone, find your buddy, stand with them.
Come here, bro. Let's go, bro. You're my buddy, okay? Yeah, I'm cam for
The
you.
two camera before buddies.
Yeah, we're in a cam buddy.
Guys, I think that's the code.
I think someone else should do it.
No.
Like you guys are literally gonna do
Record the same video.
93.
No, I want to take pictures and stuff.
Are you two buddies?
Yeah.
Are you two buddies?
I'm
No, so get behind us.
That's actually
What?
Ethan, answer. Listen to Ethan. Yeah, so guys, I need to make sure you all have your buddies. So find your buddy, grab hands, up in the air. So I can see him. Up in the air. Thank you. Like together. Alright. So I have one pair of buddies, two pair of buddies, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7.
Okay.
He needs a triple. Okay. Who do you want to go with, Joey? Doesn't really matter. You want to hang with me and Oliver?
I feel like the camera people should go first.
Alright, let's go. Alright, he's going to choose Max. Alright. That's how many pairs I'm supposed to have, so that's good. We have one.
Then just place my light on.
Yes.
There's no one.
Now it is, yes.
No, because what if another group come in here and they'll find a dead person?
Is my light on?
Hi, GoPro. They find it. They're not now. Oh, wait,
No, I can't. Until I get inside, I don't know. Yeah, your camera heard that, right, GoPro?
If I get stuck, I'll just
Take it
go.
away.
They scroll in themselves.
Do all GoPros
Wait,
go
that's an
down?
A. That's an A, right?
Person just get their camera. They can catch it.
You're safe enough.
Oh, look at that. He has a microphone right there. It don't matter.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to stay in here in the empty room, okay? Literally just arms.
We're going in. Going in.
We're going in.
Going in.
I'm changing mine again. Because we're changing the group.
Oh yeah, it's SpongeBob. It's SpongeBob!
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh my gosh, who made the baby? Who made the baby?
Yo, we made that. Yo, Elmo. Yo, look, it's SpongeBob.
It's SpongeBob.
Wait, look at my boo-boo. SpongeBob. Look at my boo-boo.
I'm trying to catch the ball, bro.
SpongeBob with a weird shape.
Way, we need space.
SpongeBob with a weird shape.
We're not all done.
I got pictures.
That's SpongeBob. He's
I took a picture of SpongeBob. Don't worry. Weird things next to it.
Is that a hat?
Yeah, it's always there.
Okay, so on my headlamp is. Oh wait, it does have a white light.
Yeah, it does.
Did this place burn or something?
No, it's just like.
It's just like
No, somebody had a fire in here probably.
Are we climbing up that ladder?
Alright.
No, we're going down the stairs.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, make sure to take a deep breath of the toxic fumes. Oh my gosh.
We're locked in.
Guys, we need to get Guys, we gotta lock in and get up there. We gotta swan dive like the tiger from Madagascar.
Alright. Let's run over some of the
Okay, guys,
history
have a moment of
room
silence.
and rules and stuff. This is limestone cave. They were originally mining limestones for roadways somewhere around 1930, I think it was. And they broke open into this cave entryway, and they stopped. And the property owner changed hands, owners a couple of times. And the current owner bought it for this specific purpose of education. It's a maze cave. So you have a room, a lot of the rooms have several passageways that go off. And sometimes they'll meet up again some other place. Sometimes some will meet up some other place. The point is that there's a lot of places that you guys can go and explore, we'll be able to get into. If there's something that you really don't want to do, okay, let me know.